That property I got for $260,000, and after doing all the numbers, that property could have sold for $450.
And what a celebration when you sold it and you got to say, we did it. We made $100 grand.
It was a very, very good feeling.
It's the best thing I ever did. Woo!
Hey, Tom here, FlipAnything USA. So today I have a great guest, Herb Cortez, joined the mentorship 2 years ago. What do you think, Herb?
It's about a year and a half. Oh, almost 2 years, I'm going to say, yes.
Yeah. Herb is a real estate agent in New York. You've been an agent. You've been watching other people make money, correct, on some deals? What was your
Yes, I've seen many deals where the investor makes a lot of money, and I'm on the side wondering why I'm not making that money. Well, I found that property through your teachings, especially from your book. That property I got for $260,000. And after doing all the numbers, that property could have sold for $450. I wanted to do the rehab on the property since that was one of my goals. I wanted to learn the process from A to Z. I'm on my property today. I'm going to turn on the camera so you guys can see.
Oh.
And that property just gave me everything. I learned everything. Well, I'm not going to say everything, but I learned a lot from that one property.
Yeah, and so this is really a great story because Herb is you're not a particularly skilled carpenter, right? That's not your history.
No.
Yeah.
Nope.
And then that is my history. And so when he brought the property and he said it's going to need some work, the things I'd tell him would just be simply, you have to check references, all these things that when you don't know the trades, you are definitely more reliant on checking the background, the history of the person that you hire. And you did all that stuff, right?
I did, yes, because you taught me that. That's how I realized that I needed to have a good team behind me.
I've got videos now for the last 2 years of mentoring people, and so there's all kinds of clips of Herb talking about looking for a deal, finding the deal, managing the rehab, and then ultimately bringing it to market and selling it. And you made what, over 100 grand roughly?
Yes, over $100,000, yes.
Yeah, he made over $100,000. And start to finish, what that take?
It took 5 months from purchase to being sold. Yeah.
Yeah, and it didn't take you away from your other job. You still had your job. You still did what you did normally to make money at the same time, correct?
No, yes, yeah. I, even though I wanted to be at the property 24/7 because I wanted to see and understand what the contractors were doing, it just didn't take me much time. They were doing their thing, and I was just pretty much there supervising.
So you can honestly say you made 100 grand in your spare time, correct?
Correct. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, and he worked for it. Don't get me wrong, but it was so impressive, and really you're a great inspiration to the whole class because he said, no, he goes, I want to do this. I want to take it through start to finish. And I said, man, you can already sell this place and make plenty of money without doing anything. He said, no, this is a learning experience, and I want to go through it all. And he did. And really, I just super impressed with you. Becoming an investor, a rehabber. You can do it. You got to do it right. A lot of people go out and do it wrong. As far as the mentorship, anytime you've ever needed to ask me a question, or right, you've never had any problems getting a hold of me, correct?
No. Anytime I wanted to call you, text you, email you, you were there for me. I never had an issue with that. Tom, when I first found your mentorship, I was looking for somebody that I can actually see and speak to, and that was the best part that you offer. I can actually talk to you if I get tongue twisted, if I have an issue. I gotta say that having access to you was the best part.
And what a celebration when you sold it and you got to say, we did it. We made $100 grand.
It was a very, very good feeling.
That's great, man. Well, very proud of you. Such a great, really, role model for the whole school, whole mentorship. It gives people hope.
If you do need a mentorship, you have the best. There's none out there, no other mentorship, no other guru giving what you're giving. We have access to you. That is the best mentorship you can have. It's actually speaking to the mentor.
I appreciate you being on here and sharing. It's motivational to other people, reconfirming that it can be done. And, so here you go. This is a real estate agent, married man, 3 kids, and this is his experience.
Thank you, Tom.
Thank you. I appreciate it.